Hi, my name is Dan Graverson, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to get started using the Appmembersite app and what you need to do to get from you get the license to get started. So when you have purchased, you'd end up here and you'd be able to download the Appmembersite license, and it will just say download and take a little while. And then you would go to your new page and you would say plugins, add new. This is my page that I'm going to use the plugin on. Say upload, and downloads, and say this one. And this will upload the file and install the plugin. So now the plugin has been uploaded, and I'll just say activate plugin. And then you can see it's activated and it's working. So what you first see here is you got the Appmembersite application here, and we need to enter a license key. So we can either click here, this will just take us to the Appmembersite app, and what we need to do is to create a key for this one. So we can, either from here where we downloaded, just enter the URL here and say get key. This will give you a key that you can use whenever you're going to register this domain, and it's also going to be sent to your email, so you got it there. Then you just pick register, and this would register the plugin and say okay, now it's successfully registered. So if you select here, we can see now we got a content section. So the second thing I guess we need to do is to create a page we can use as a content page. So what we'll do is we'll go to OptimizePress, select page builder, and this is a membership site, so I will call it membership. I'm using normal pages as templates because they're much easier to update than the templates in OptimizePress. So we're just selecting a content template that makes it easier to work with, and let's take this one. And proceed to step number 2. And here we're going to design what's going to be in this page. So the first thing is on the page. Is we would need to create a title, and the way we do that is to edit these sections, and then we will put in just a text called title, and when this is going to be rendered by the app, it will say we need to put in the title on this one. So we also have a video, which is good because that is what we're supposed to be. That will be updated with a video if there's a video present. If you are not using videos, you should create a different template for the pages, like parent pages or content overview pages where you don't have a video. That would make it much smarter. So here we will edit this lesson content. And probably maybe a good idea to have this lesson content, and we'll put in a text called content. Insert. And I don't think we will lead these downloads. Course content, we don't need this one either. So whenever you're making membership sites in this tool, you want to make it as smooth as possible and with as few elements as possible. So we could have moved this down to a single row. Let's do that. Simple layout, just one. Remove this. And we will delete this row. So now we have a page with just says content, lesson, and a title and a video. We will see, say, zoom in a bit, save and close. Notice it's still in draft mode, and that's fine because when we're creating the pages, they just need to be in that mode. So we will create a new page, a normal WordPress page. And to make this faster, I have created a title here called Module 7. And we'll go to this Appmembersite section, which is just a replication of what you have in normal WordPress. But when you're in this tab, you can also see we got this one. So we can see, there's a member site template we can select here. We can put in a video we want to be used like this. And since this is a page that will be under the video section, I'll just put it as a parent under that. And then publish. So what we can do is we can go view the page, and we can see it has replaced this one. We got the lesson content down here. Maybe we should have changed this so it was a bit wider, and we may be able to play the. So this also works. So this was really a fast way to update this, but we found that it may be a good idea to change the template. So what we'll do is we will just go to and find the page that is the template page. Pages, all. And we got this one. Let's just create it today. We'll go into the live editor. So the issue with this box is that it was too small and it was capped by the size of the previous content. So let's just delete it and delete this one also. And then let's add a new content. Sorry. Now insert a text block. Yes, that's good. And we'll just put in content, scroll down and see insert. So now we have updated this and put the content here, so, and we have at least removed the title here. So we of course want this to be affected on all the different pages that we're using. And since the Appmembersite is only running when we are looking at content, the Appmembersite app is only running when the user is browsing, the admin is using it. It's not when the user is running, then it's just normal OptimizePress. So what we'll do is we'll go onto here, select update in the content section of Appmembersite, and when we press update, it will say the page is up to date. And that means that when we open again, we can see now that the text spanned the whole section as we wanted to. So I hope you can see how powerful this is if you want to make changes to your templates and make it easier for the users to browse and navigate around what you're doing. Obviously, if I'm editing this page, it will also update automatically when it's saved. So if you can only edit in the Appmembersite section here. So if we add a new line, press update, then we will be able to see that we have just inserted a new line on this one. So this is really a powerful way of updating a lot of templates and a lot of sites and using the standard WordPress functionality to edit the content that you have. I hope this has been a helpful way of describing how you can create pages using this Appmembersite to really make it easy to create membership sites. Thanks.